type of style, and ain't nobody stopping my rise to the very top. Hit 'em up with all I got. Superstar, no I'm not. Green weed, black Glock. Everybody want a piece. Sturdy like a paraclete. Niggas run their mouth a lot like bitches and parakeets. I'm so cold with it. Make other boys wanna do it just because I did it.
Yeah, 8 Ways, Dorilla, Collab, Slab 2 is going down, baby. It's your boy Milwaukee. Stop playing.
Yeah. Double R. Come on. Crafty plugs. What? What up, Amore? Yeah. If you got shoes on the whip and you rolling up a blunt, peel off. If you out racing for the dough, when the flag hits the floor, when they yelling out go, peel off. If you see the pigs on your tail, knowing if you get locked that you won't make bail, peel off. What you gonna do? Peel off. When I cruise the strip, you know that it's me. Split the crowd in half like Moses did to the sea. 0 to 60 and 4 flat, make you look inferior. Funny how my throwback matches the interior. I ain't scared of ya, come on, let's be serious. Can't catch me, I'm too fast, too furious. Bullshit walks and cash talk. My low pros burning up the asphalt. Drop top spider in the summer, I'm good. Lost for words soon as you look under the hood. Twin cam turbo, your man's in shack. Only words coming out your mouth. Damn, that's hot. Got a spoiler on the back every time I skate off. You thinking it's a jet that's about to take off? Cash and pink slips, whole enchilada. Soon as the light turns green, you know that you gotta peel off. If you got a system in the trunk, shoes on the whip and you rolling up a blunt, peel off.
Yeah.